Hi, everybody. I'm Adam McDowell with parkbench.com/North Center. I'm here today with Jim Erwin, the founder of Erwin Law. Hi, Jim. How are you doing today?
Doing well, thanks. How about yourself, Adam?
I'm doing good. Thanks for sitting back down with me. We've talked to you once before about focusing a little bit more about the real estate law that you practice. But today we're going to talk a little bit about estate planning, which is another service you guys offer.
Sure.
Tell me about what you guys do for estate planning.
Yeah, absolutely. In recent months, it's become more, highlighted practice area for us because as people have sat down and thought about the fact that, they haven't put their plans in place, this is something that families, folks, often put on the back burner and then suddenly realize in a health crisis, oh man, I need to take care of this. And so what does that entail? We do everything from simple wills to wills and trusts, powers of attorney, both healthcare powers of attorney, living will directives, personal property powers of attorney, everything so that if we are in a situation where we can't manage our own lives, we have things in place where others can. We have directives in place so that our loved ones know what either assets we have or what our wishes are. And then, of course, on our passing, what we want to have happen with those assets, there's a plan in place. Whether it involves tax planning, we work with people's financial advisors to seamlessly make sure that there's a good plan in place for passing those assets along or managing them. I won't go into the whole detail of what the difference is between a will and a trust, but there is, that's a lot of what we do is we explain to people what their options are, what is the advantage of a trust, what is probate process when somebody passes away. So we've been pretty busy with that.
Yeah, that's good. It's something we run into practicing real estate too. There's a lot of education in what we do. So, I knew about wills, but I knew what a trust was, but you'll go in through and explain who might want one product and who might want another product and help them make that decision.
Sure. Yeah, trusts sometimes I even find are oversold, right? Or they're sold, quote unquote, sold with the wrong idea. Trust provides liability protection. Well, it absolutely does not do that. So I don't want somebody just assuming that. I'll have clients come to me and say, well, I want to set up a trust for, and then they'll talk to me about their investment property. Well, I don't necessarily recommend that as the first option. So we sit down, we talk about the objectives, whether or not, there are different types of trusts, irrevocable, revocable, land trusts. So a lot of options to walk through, and people generally come to us just with they've heard something, or they've seen something online. And so, yeah, there is a large education process through it.
So people want to talk to you about estate planning or need your services for real estate transaction as a buyer, seller, or landlord. What's the best way to get in contact with you?
Sure, absolutely. Our phone number is 773-525-0153. My email address is jerwin@erwinlawfirm.com, and that's with an E. Or just go to our website, which is erwinlawfirm.com, ERWIN lawfirm.com.
Great. Jim, thank you for your time today. It's great catching up with you. And
absolutely.
Talking to you. Keep me in touch in the future.
Absolutely. Thanks. Will do.
Thank you all for watching. I'm Adam McDowell with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Chicago, your path to home, and parkbench.com/North Center.